Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you to today's session of maths. And today we will be solving concept sheets of a very important chapter, which is perimeter. Now, children, the purpose of concept sheets, as I've time and again told you, is to introduce to you newer problems, newer kind of questions which might not be there, but the logics and the formulas which will be used are those which you have studied or in this class or maybe in the previous classes. So if I ask you what is a perimeter, the answer goes on. Perimeter is basically the sum total of all the sides which that figure has. Right? You have to add. Now there are some formulas of perimeter also. That is for a square, it is 4 into side. Right? 4 into side. For rectangle, it is twice length in plus breadth. So, but what you need to do is, it is the sum of the four sides. So look at the first figure here. The four sides are 38, 30, 40, 80. So you add the four. You add these four. 38 plus 30 plus 40 plus 80. 38 plus 30 plus 40 plus 80. So how much you are getting here? You are getting here 188. This is what you are getting. So this is 188 meter is the perimeter of the first one. Right? So this is how you need to do. You need to just add on. Now see, this is a very here you will find a square here and a rectangle. So we will be trying to do through both the methods. See, it's square. We are onto this figure, square. 20 meter the side. So perimeter here is 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. So write 4 times 20 and add. So it is coming to be 80. Now if I apply the formula 4 into side, so it is 4 into 20, which is also 80. Right? So both ways it is coming correct. So it's up to you to choose whichever way you want and solve it. Right? Okay. Similarly, it is for the rectangle also. See, opposite sides are the same. So 2 into L plus B. Or if you add all the four sides, even then the answer will be same. So L plus B is coming out to be 120 and twice of that will be 240. Okay. Now in these questions, next questions, you need to, from third onwards, you will be putting up the formulas to do. Now let us do the fifth one. Rakesh wants to frame a picture which is 45 centimeter long and 15 centimeter wide. How much wooden stick will he need? Now picture is generally of a rectangular shape. So we will be applying the formula of rectangle here to solve it. In the next question it is clearly given. That's a rectangular piece whose length is this much and breadth is this much. Find out how much of the boundary wall needed to fence this ground, right? The seventh is about a square garden. So a square is about 4 into side. So we will be multiplying 172 by 4 to get the desired answer. Let us try to do this. Right? See fifth one. If the picture frame is 45 centimeter and long and 50 centimeter wide. So the formula here of is 2 bracket L plus B. This is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. So 2 bracket L is how much? 45 and B is how much? 15. We write the 2. So we get 2 into 60, which is equal to 120. Right? This is how you need to do. Now see the seventh one. It's a square garden. So for a square, the perimeter is 4 into side. So 4 into 172. We will get 4 to the 8 7 4 the 28, 8 carry forward to 4 to 6, 688 will be the answer here, right? And this is how, and then meters, obviously you will be writing the unit after it. So this is how you need to do these questions. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. I stop here, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.